Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a sound test of the Sony ZV-10. Right at this moment I'm making a video with Sony ZV-10 and the kit lens comes with it, Sony PZ 16 to 50mm kit lens that comes with this camera. Sony ZV-10 is a vlogging camera, and one of its unique feature is that it has got its own mic system on top of this camera, which captures the native sound around its place. I'm making this video with the native sound at this moment, and I'll test in different aspects. And this is my indoor studio, so I have my doors closed and there is very few ambient sound coming from outside. All I have got sound my voice inside this studio. And I'm talking in front of the camera is about 2.5 feet or maybe 3 feet away from my face. So let me see. When I start, my fan on top of me and how this ambient sound affect my talk. Right at this moment I've started a fan on top of my head, and I don't know, when I finish this video I'll listen how this fan sound affects my voice. So at this moment I've got my sound, my voice and the sound of the fan on top of my head. So let me see the difference between this ambient sound and the voice I've got in this video. I'll not talk for a few seconds and try to capture the sound of the fan only. Okay, now I'll stop the fan again. There is one plane going nearby. I can hear the sound of a plane, but I don't know whether this mic will capture the sound of the plane or not. I'll test that one as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'll start a music on my iPhone and see how it. This is close to my head, and I'll stop talking and I'll display this. I'll bring it closer to the camera and see the difference. In my upcoming video, I'll be testing and comparing the native sound of the Sony ZV-10 with this wireless Rode microphone and see the sound quality difference between the native sound capturing system, native mic of the Sony ZV-10, and I'll compare with this couple of wireless Rode and compare with the native sound system of the Sony ZV-10. If you like my videos, if you like my techniques and macro photography and other photography stuffs, please subscribe my channel, press a bell icon, like it, share it, stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.